Are you selling a residential property in Chicago? Do you have the zoning certificate? The what? Well, I'll tell you. Come on in, have a seat. I'm Ben Weaver, an Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal service by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home in Chicago and its suburbs. With me as always is Adam, who forgets how moody this Midwest weather can be.
You know, last time we recorded, I mentioned that I was wearing shorts finally. Well, we're back to pants. It's a monsoon outside and it's like 40 degrees. So,
yeah.
Chicago.
Pants and a sweater, there you go. In mid-May too, who knows. And today, we're gonna discuss the Chicago Zoning Certificate and why you don't wanna wait too long to take care of it. Let's jump right into it. What is a zoning cert? Well, the city's website officially calls it a Certificate of Zoning Compliance. And for better or worse, that's really what it is. It's the official city confirmation that the property has 5 or fewer dwelling units, which are considered to be rooms arranged in a way that they are considered independent living quarters. So, for example, if the property has 2 clearly sectioned off from each other areas, both with a separate bathroom and a kitchen, it would likely be ruled that the property has 2 dwelling units. Now, this is only for residential properties, and condos do not need to apply for the zoning cert, as they're already an entirely different classification. So, in order to get that certificate, you need the following information on hand: the property address, the property index number, referred to as the PIN, the number of dwelling units in the structure, location of the dwelling units by floor, a point of contact or return mail address, and some information on the seller. Just basic stuff like name and personal address. When you have all that ready to go, hop to the City of Chicago's website and find the zoning certificate. Pro tip, I simply Googled Chicago zoning certs and the top result sent me right where I needed to go. There, you'll find a simple form to fill out with all that information we discussed prior. Go ahead and fill it on in. Once it's completed, you'll want to bring the application to room 107 of City Hall on North LaSalle Street. City Hall is open from 8 to 5, Monday through Friday, so you may have to navigate around your own work schedule to stop on over. Before the application can be filed, there's a $120 fee that you must pay. One thing we want to stress is the effect that COVID-19, as well as the current housing market, has had on this process. As of the time of recording, it can take a few weeks to get the certificate filled out, authenticated, and signed off by the city. We say at the very least you want to turn that form in 4 weeks before closing. Or you could just work with a legal team like 23 Legal that'll take care of all that for you. Hey, have you sold a home in the city of Chicago lately? How was it? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about it. Drop a like if you found this helpful, and subscribe to 23 Legal for more real estate law content. I'm Ben Weaver, overtaking new contracts and clients, and I'll see you in the next video.